Here are some practical tips for learning English by listening. Tip number 1: start with your level. Don't jump into native speed podcasts if you're a beginner. Use graded listening materials or slow speed content designed for learners, then gradually increase difficulty. Tips number 2: listen actively, not passively. Put away your phone and focus. Try to catch key words even if you don't understand everything. Background listening while doing other things won't help much. Tips number 3: use subtitles strategically. Start with subtitles in your native language to understand the content. Then switch to English subtitles, and finally try without any subtitles. This builds your skills progressively. Tips number 4: repeat and shadow. Listen to the same content multiple times. Try shadowing by speaking along with the audio a split second behind. This connects listening with pronunciation. Tips number 5: choose content you enjoy. Whether it's music, TV shows, podcasts, or YouTube videos, you'll listen more consistently if you're genuinely interested. Boredom is the enemy of learning. Tips number 6: don't stress about understanding everything. Even catching 60 to 70% is progress. Your brain naturally fills in gaps over time. Focus on general meaning first, details later. Tips number 7: mix different accents and topics. Listen to British, American, Australian English. Hear people discuss various subjects. This prepares you for real-world conversations where English varies widely. The key is consistency. Even 15 minutes daily beats occasional long sessions. Your ear needs regular training to recognize patterns and sounds in English.